Hi, I'm Joline Wonder Gym, and I'm excited to talk to you today about Liv's Cleanse Kit. I've been with Liv for 9 years, taking the products myself and having my clients take them. And because they get results, I love talking about them and sharing them. Let's look at the Cleanse Kit. First of all, we cleanse because there's a moment in time where we want to kind of reestablish health, reboost our metabolism, overcome a weight release plateau. So that's when you put some cleansing time into your health strategy. And it starts with the Liv Skinny. We want to be hydrating our bodies all day long. The chlorophyllin in Liv Skinny actually pulls the toxins from our cells. That's super important because it's naturally doing it. We're not forcing that issue. But additionally, it has an appetite suppressant, so that makes it a brilliant hydration for when you are cleansing because you're eating less. So if you're not suffering from wanting to eat all the time, you're going to be more successful and more compliant. Additionally, we have Crave that you can eat either between meals or with food. It binds to the food and it just pulls the food out of the body faster. That is so important. You want fiber during a cleansing period. But there's a great ingredient in Crave that makes it so important to have in the cleansing kit, and that is Crave's fiber is a prebiotic. So we're feeding the good bacteria that's in your colon. And to do that, we also need a probiotic. And that's why E3 is in the Cleanse Kit. E3 is a probiotic that gets in there and establishes the good bacteria and pushes out the bad bacteria, and then you've got Crave as the prebiotic that's feeding the good bacteria. So together, hand in hand, they're really changing your immune system and your body's ability to reestablish health in the gut. The last product, but probably the most important in the cleansing kit, is the Cleanse Tea because it's the catalyst to get things moving. And you need to have the colon cleaned out, the liver and the kidneys conditioned. There's milk thistle and dandelion root in the Cleanse Tea, so they're conditioning those very specific organs that naturally detox the body. We're just giving it a little boost. So these products together are wonderful for starting the cleanse, but let me give you a couple more tips. You're going to want to hydrate all day long. Don't drink anything else except the Liv Skinny. Make sure your portions are small. Get rid of white rice, white bread, white crackers during that very specific time, and eat lots of fruits and vegetables with the fiber. We want that during a cleanse. So that will make you have a successful cleanse. Thank you so much for your time. I've appreciated you and enjoyed talking about the Liv products.